Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be playing with the new Scrap Diva Designs K-Cup gift box. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. So this is originally designed to house 2 K-Cups for all you coffee lovers. But I think that I personally don't drink coffee. I will make one of these for my mom because she's a huge coffee lover. But I think that it would be cool to have like some plastic and create like little baggies, you know, with like plastic sticking up a little bit or something like that. But I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of possibilities on what to stick inside this box, guys. Look at how adorable it is. I just used her Poinsettia Flower dye. Guys, if you don't have this dye, you need to snatch it. It is a must buy. I did some of that faux snow. I used some of my sprinkles and like little gems to decorate the frosting. And then I did a chain here with some beads. And then this cabochon is from Happy Crafter Shop. And so are these little mini bells, okay? So guys, don't forget to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off on your entire purchase with Scrap Diva Designs and then also Happy Crafter Shop. So look at how cute this box is. I just used 110-pound cardstock. I went ahead and I cut this piece out twice so that it can look cute in the back as well. And then I just decorated it also with her new word set, which is called Christmas Cheer word set. And let me show you guys what those look like. They're so pretty. So this month I did something a little bit different. I cut these out of tulle. I don't know if you can see that background. It's tulle. And I just used these that I hauled from AliExpress. I used these 3 colors here. So I made a blue set, a pink set, and then a gold set. So these are the words. It is one full die. Well, actually, it's one whole set altogether. You don't have to purchase these separately. Typically, like she thinks she has like a couple of different word sets that you can grab. So this is a really cool set, guys, because all of them are going to be in one, okay? So you are going to receive the word presents. So it'll be the letters plus the shadow piece. Presents, North Pole, Happy Holidays, Season's Greetings, Christmas Cheer, Santa's Helper, and then Elf Squad. And then, of course, you can mix these up, mix and match. And then I did a set in pink. Probably hard to tell with the glare, but look how pretty that tulle is. I think it came out really cute. And then I also did a set in the white and cream. Let me move this to the side. And this is what they look like. I used glitter paper and then that cream colored tulle in the background. So this is a must-have, guys. You can never have too many sentiment dies, especially like holiday ones. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you guys what's gonna come with this die set. Your main pieces are gonna be this piece here, which you're gonna cut out one time. This is gonna be your back panel. You're gonna cut that once. And then this is going to be your side panel. You're going to cut this twice. So super simple to put together, you guys. That's all you need to put it together. And then she's got this piece that you can layer on top as the frosting. And then you're also going to get all these extra dies, you guys. So these cute little cups, and they're facing in different directions. So you can choose which direction you want. There's some steam for the coffee. These little tops for your coffee, like or hot cocoa, whatever. And then you also have this cute little spoon and the layering piece for the little heart detail. You're going to get the sentiment coffee break. And then these have the shadow pieces as well. And then look at this, guys. All these cute little coffee beans and more of that like steam stuff. So really cute die set. Let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. It is so simple. So I went ahead and I cut some pieces. So again, you're going to need 2 of these little side panels, this back piece, and then this main piece. Now, when you guys are cutting this, if you're using directional paper, you want to place your die with these 2 circles on top. Cut like that because we're going to fold this, and this will end up being your front, okay? So that just in case you're using directional paper, it will line up perfectly, okay? So one thing that I have to mention is that when you cut this, guys, there is a score line here, and then there are a bunch of stitch lines. Now, it's really easy to fold on the stitch line instead of the score line. So be careful with that. I definitely would. I used 110-pound cardstock on my first one. You probably don't need to do this with this kind of paper, but I would definitely take your paper to your scoreboard, and I would score those again, guys, just so that it's easier. Let me get it on the line. When you're folding it, it's so easy to end up bending it on the wrong part. So I would take a scoreboard and rescore these lines, just so that you don't have any problems when you are folding. They're so close to the stitch lines that it's really easy to fold the wrong one. Let me get a good score on this one. Yeah, there we go. So I would definitely do that, you guys. See, even here, like, they're really close to each other. And it'll be really easy to fold on the wrong line. So I'm just going to take my scoreboard, line this up in one of the notches where the score is, and just, again, reinforce that score line. All right. And then all you're going to do is fold on all your score lines. So leave me a comment down below, guys, and let me know, what would you gift inside of this instead of a K-cup? K-cups. This is like the perfect little gift box for Christmas, and just to like give somebody something. Like, you can make a ton of these, and if you're a huge coffee lover, gift your favorite little K-cups, whatever brand, and you can just like get all your coworkers or all your family members. Because I'm pretty sure, I mean, I'm not a coffee drinker, guys, so I don't really know. But I would think that, like, you can get, like, a bunch in a box. You know, like the K-cups come a bunch in a box. So just that simple, you guys. And this is how it's going to be together. So your holes are going to be on top. This will be your front, and this will be your bottom. Really simple. This piece, you don't have to do anything to. There's no score marks. See, actually just with the regular cardstock, look at how easily it folds. I had a hard time though with my 110-pound cardstock. I kept folding it on the wrong line. Really simple. All right. So you're going to take your base, and we are going to, again, this is how it's going to be set up. So you're going to have these openings on the side, and we're going to close them with these side panels. So you have like a little mark here, a little tab. We're going to go ahead and glue these to the side right here. I wonder what kind of containers I can find to put something different in here other than the K-cups. And you're going to be gluing the longer side of the rectangle. Just like so. Super simple to put together. I'm going going to go ahead and glue this part here. So again, it's going to be put together like this, so you don't put this on the wrong side. I'm going to glue it with this part facing this way. You can glue this part on the front or the back. I'm going to glue it on the back. On the front. You guys see what I mean? There we go. Super simple to put together. This might be the shortest tutorial. So just like this, guys, you're just going to put your box together. Make sure that you get a good bond on your box. Use your bone folders. Guys, Christmas is coming so quick. The stitching is so cute. I love that you can just use one sheet of paper and look, it's already put together. And I still got some paper left over from that 12 by 12 sheet. So it doesn't take much paper at all. And then we are going to glue this piece. And then this gets glued to that like that. Super simple, you guys. Let me glue... And you can go in whatever order works best for you. I think yesterday when I put this together, I did a different order. I don't think it matters. Again, flip it over and use that bone folder. Turn it over and burnish it. And then this is going to simply glue to this. I'm going to pull my tabs up slightly so I can make sure that it sticks on there really easily. So those 3 tabs are going to be glued to the base of this, just like so. I'm kind of holding it a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it over, use my bone folder and get in those. And there goes your little K-cup box. Isn't it cute, you guys? And then again, there is this piece here. And on the other one, I put it on the front and the back. And if you want, I put it on the bottom as well. I just kind of traced this and elongated it so that I can have it double like here. But how cute is that? So adorable. All right. So there goes your K-cup box, guys. Make sure you snatch this from Scrap Diva Designs. And I would love to see how you guys decorate yours. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.